Hey guys, you don't know, it's your girl Shay back at you with the next video. Okay, so from the title of this video, you know already what well, you don't know, but you'll see by the ending of this video. Okay, as for the song Adele's Someone Like You, she do it in a little like sad kind of teary kind of way, but I'm doing it like a Jamaican version. I mean, not word for word because I don't think I know that song all that well. So I might miss up something and you guys might say, oh, but I saw the song go, I know, right? But I don't really know this song like that. So I just sing it anyhows. Anyhows, what the F? But anyways, it's like I'm doing it a Jamaican kind of way. Hurry up! Finally, John, finally. Eh? You think some would find out, don't? You think me would find out? But you got fired and got married, white woman. And you have the audacity, you left me here. Eh? You left me here, so you come back. And look what you gonna do, John. You got married, white woman. You never hear the last of me. You never hear the last of me, John. You know I love you. Can't believe say that I really do. Can't believe it took me with the ear. My friend tell me, I've heard that you've settled down and you've married now. And I've heard that your dreams came through. Guess she gave you things I couldn't give to you. Now tell me for she. Oh friend, why are you so shy? It's all like you to hide or shy from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue, man invited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it, I thought you saw my face, that you'll be reminded of me. This isn't over, but never mind, I'll find someone like you, 'cause I wish nothing but the best for you and your dirty girl. Don't forget me, I beg. Forget me anyways. But I remember you say sometimes lasts the love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts the love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Johnny hurt me. That's not a lie. I'm ignorant for you. Stay there, look for me strong. Stay there, look for me strong. Time to stop my knives. You hurt my man. You know me love you. And this is what you're going to do. But don't worry yourself. I remember you say sometimes it lasts love, but sometimes it hurts instead. But don't worry yourself, and you look a dirty bitch. Where sweet nanny goat are gonna run in belly.